Hey guys, welcome to Fantasy Motorsports. Today I am standing in front of a very cool, very unique BMW i8 that we fully customized, fully designed, and fully protected. Let's take a closer look. I'll show you everything we did. The first thing we did with this BMW i8 is design a very cool exterior wrap. Wrapping wise, we actually used an INOZETek Nardo Gray beautiful vinyl wrap, gloss. Also, we used a black PPF wrap as well. Two-tone, great design, gives this car a stunning, beautiful look, very aggressive. In addition, we actually smoked or lightly tinted the front headlights, you can see. Not as aggressive, but just a very small hint to give it that wow factor. As you can see, even down to the last detail, we customized the BMW emblems, otherwise known as the BMW roundels. Normally they're blue and white from the factory. On this i8, we blacked them out, made them super cool. Our client spared no expense when customizing the vehicle. As you can see, full-blown customization wheels. Forgiato Cactus Jack style, otherwise known as a Travis Scott special. Check out these wheels. And finally, on the exterior of this beautiful i8, we actually protected the entire vehicle with ceramic coating by Ceramic Pro. When designing and building the aftermarket stereo system, we actually integrated the design of the amplifiers to match the interior of the vehicle, along with the airlift suspension kit. Take a closer look.
True, I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient and soon it can all be worth it.
We did not stop the customization for this BMW on the exterior only. No. We went inside. Take a look on the inside. Let me show you a little bit about the stereo system we did. The whole custom audio system that we designed is actually designed to look like it's a factory system. So starting with the head unit, you can see we actually retained the factory head unit. However, we actually added multiple amplifiers, multiple speakers. Take a look up front. You see kick panels in the passenger footwell and the driver footwell. Custom built to house speakers. To finish off this audio system, we added a monster subwoofer right behind the front seats. And we actually reupholstered the entire back area where the speaker is to make it match the factory leather. Take a look. I hope you enjoyed taking a look at the BMW i8 that we designed, built, and protected. And remember, if you have a vehicle that you want to customize or protect, come on down to Fantasy Motorsports, and who knows, maybe your vehicle be the next one we showcase in one of our videos. Take care.
Worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me.